Hello guys, welcome to my channel. How to earn from freelancing platform by digital marketing. How to become a freelance digital marketing professional. Complete guide in 2022. This guide will show you the steps to follow to become a freelance digital marketer. It is a complete guide for beginners to freelancing or those who want to make a career switch and enter the exciting world of digital marketing. The following topics are covered. What is freelance digital marketing? What does a freelance marketing professional do? How to become a freelance digital marketer? How much? What is freelance digital marketing? What does a freelance marketing professional do? I started my freelancing career 15 years ago as an SEO professional. लाना अच्छा कर रहा है To give an idea of what the actual job look like, these are the most common tasks executed by marketing freelancers. Monitoring job posting websites for new project opportunities, submitting job proposals to secure a new client, meeting, communicating with new and existing clients, responding to emails, connecting with other freelancers working on your own website or blog, building your personal brand, optimizing client websites for search engine SEO, running the PPC campaigns on platforms like Google Ads and Bing Ads, executing campaigns on free and paid, designing email marketing campaigns. Build your business website while working on building your digital marketing skill. You should also start a website for your freelance business. This is important step and something that many freelancers either skip or not give the necessary attention to. Business or personal website. A decision you need to make at this point is whether to make your website personal. If you make personal, it will be easier to promote in beginning since your name will be brand, but it will not be as good. Start a digital marketing blog regardless of what you will choose. Choose your specialty. Digital marketing has a number of processes. SEO expert, content marketing specialist, PPC specialist, email marketing specialist, digital marketing specialist. Learn how to create a services proposal. Set your prices. The next task in your journey to becoming a freelance digital marketing professional is to decide on your pricing model and set your prices. Thanks for watching. Will be next video.